How do you folks, Bonesie here. I just thought I'd show you my latest project, or project that I've just recently completed, or near enough. As you can see, it's a model of an ejection seat. I've always been fascinated by ejection seats and the mechanical ingenuity that really goes into these things. I was a survival equipment fitter in the Air Force for a long time. Now, we didn't work directly with ejection seats, but we worked on the head boxes and the parachutes, obviously, and the drogues that went in them. So we always had a close association with the seat bays, and I used to often sort of wander down and chat to the lads in there and look at the seats and stuff. So, but anyway, that was a long time ago, and just recently I thought I'll have a go at making one out of sheet metal. So this is the result. It's based on a Buccaneer seat, very loosely, because basically I've made this from a few pictures and a bit of memory, which is not as good as it used to be. But yeah, it's got pretty much everything there that should be there. There's a rocket pack underneath. That's under there. The handle, of course. That's for dialing in the weight. The pilot dials in his weight there, alters the rocket pack. Manual separation handle, sticker tab. Got the main gun on the back, the scissors shackle, the barostat, harness release. That's the personal equipment connector. Another sticker. Oh no, that's the switch to raise the seat up and down. Part of the oxygen equipment, and the bottle on the back. The head box on these particular seats. This head box was filled with a drogue, and then the main parachute for the pilot was in a horseshoe arrangement here, and then the harness and the seat, the personal survival pack, was sat in there. So that's what I've been working on, just sort of over Christmas really, where I had a bit of downtime. Engraved the ejection seat label myself, and the and this. So I've done all the engraving. I've done everything on this. I've fabricated everything apart from a few nuts and bolts, and it's made from aluminium, steel and brass, as you can see. And I gave it a little brushed effect. I was going to polish it, but sometimes I think over polishing things can not look particularly good. So there it is. So yeah, it's not 100% correct. I'm thinking about making a new one. I'm trying to make a more accurate one. This one's a little bit off scale, though if you don't know about seats or in that world, you probably won't really notice. But yeah, hope you like it. Nice little project. Thanks for watching. Cheers folks, see ya.